avocado relish. So we're gonna use a California avocado that's nice and ripe. I take the bottom of my knife and I kind of turn it and I just push it off with my thumb. And this way you get right to the flesh of the avocado. Kind of make diamonds right in the shell. And then I can scoop it out with a spoon. I like my avocados, whether it's a guacamole or some kind of relish, I like it to be chunky as opposed to pureed. All right, so how are we gonna flavor this? A little bit of red onion, jalapeños. I mean, I think that you have to be careful with the chilies. I like to have heat kind of all the way through it, but sort of a little bit as it kind of builds at each one of the components. And then some cilantro. For all the cilantro haters out there, try it again. That's what I keep saying. We're building cilantro love all over the country, little by little. If you don't like cilantro, obviously you can leave it out. You can put something like Italian parsley in it, but it's just not the same. And again, I like to coarsely chop this, not too fine, and then some fresh lime juice. So then I'm gonna take some black pepper and some salt. Just with a fork, just gonna mash the avocado. We're gonna keep it nice and chunky. And then remember those little tortillas that we had? Spicy, creamy, crispy, and very Mexican.